Before beginning the installation, ensure the rough opening is clean, dry, free of debris, and ready for application. To start the install, first invert one Rissan 430 gray corner. Flip the inside corner and pull the center through to the opposite side. Once inverted, the Rissan 430 gray corner is ready to be installed on the exterior of the window buck. Remove the backer and apply the corner to the exterior left side of the extension buck. Remove the backer and apply the tape to the underside of the extension buck. Use a squeegee to apply pressure and ensure proper adhesion. Next, remove the backer and apply the corner to the substrate. Use a squeegee to apply pressure and ensure proper adhesion. Roll to adhere. To cover the interior of your window buck, you will not need to invert your corner. Simply remove the backer from your corner that will adhere to the left inside corner of the window extension buck. Set up your corner onto your squeegee and place it snugly into the corner. Next, remove the backer from the section that will adhere to the sill. Use a squeegee to adhere. Finally, remove the remaining backer and apply the corner to the face of the window extension buck. Do not fold the tape around the buck at this time. Next, use a knife to cut a 45-degree angle from the corner. Pull the tape under the extension buck and apply pressure with a squeegee. Pull the triangular tail end of the tape up onto the side of the jamb. Then apply the rest of the tape to the side of the jamb. Fold the triangular end under the jamb. Roll to adhere. Now you have a complete corner for your extended window buck. Repeat these steps on each of the window's 4 corners and combine with our Rissan 430 gray tape to complete this installation.